To reset Huawei FreeBuds SE free, you have to start by inputting left and the right one inside this charging case, and you have to also open this plastic cover. When you do this, you will have to just find this small button that is located next to the USB-C port. Use your, for example, fingernail and click and hold this button and take a look on this indicator. So after holding this button for like 5 or 6 seconds, this indicator will turn red. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it turns white again. So now you can release this button. You can close this case for a few seconds, then open it one more time, and it will be finished. You can also, if it doesn't work, you can also connect this cable and basically repeat process, because sometimes your case may be out of the battery, so this indicator doesn't actually lights up. Now, if it was useful, please leave a like and a comment below.